Committed to better quality patient outcomes, South Texas Health System McAllen launched its robotic surgery program in late March 2025 with the acquisition of the Da Vinci 5 robotic surgical system, the latest in robotic assisted surgical technology from Intuitive Surgical.
So the staff and the surgeons have been really excited. They're embracing the technology and willing to learn something new to be able to provide really good patient care.
To introduce the DV5, as it's simply known to residents of the Rio Grande Valley, STHS McAllen launched a special Name the Robot contest, which offered children the chance to name the robotic surgical system. After receiving more than 100 submissions, a special committee made up of STHS McAllen leaders, operating room staff, and DV5 surgeons selected 4 finalists, who were revealed at a special ceremony at the facility in early April.
It was really great to see the kids. You're able to see their enthusiasm and how they were so intrigued by something they've never seen before.
The finalists included 10-year-old Luca Leal, a 4th grader at Gonzales Elementary in McAllen, who submitted the name Surgibot. 11-year-old Sonny Bennett, a 5th grader at Idea Los Encinos Academy in McAllen, who submitted the name CHRIS, an acronym that stands for Comprehensive Robotic Intelligence Surgeon. 5-year-old Selah Morales, a homeschooled kindergartner from McAllen, who submitted the name Wally. And 8-year-old Dominic Morales, a homeschooled 2nd grader from McAllen, who submitted the name Stitchbot. Ultimately, the panel selected Chris as the official name for STHS McAllen's DV5, leading to cheers from the audience and a little bit of shock from the winner.
I was super happy all of a sudden. I almost passed out of happiness.
In creating her submission, Sunny drew inspiration from her own father's moniker, Chris. Scheduled to undergo robotic surgery at STHS McAllen with the new DV5, she wanted to make sure her dad wasn't only in good hands, but good robotic arms as well.
It can be like one Chris and the other one being another Chris.
Sunny's mindfulness and creativity in creating the acronym CHRIS certainly impressed her father.
I was kind of blown away with that. I was like, well, how'd you come up with that? And she, well, science class, and we did this and we do that. And I was like, I didn't do that in the 5th grade. We're so proud of her. She is such a bright young lady, and she exceeds our expectations greatly with what she does. Her teachers and principal at school say the same thing.
Following the announcement of the winning name, Sunny and the other finalists had the chance to visit the STHS McAllen Surgical Services Department to see the DV5, interact with the robotic surgical system, and meet some of the surgeons and operating room staff responsible for it.
It gives them an insider's view, a different viewpoint of what happens in certain areas, and makes them excited about something. When you're able to experience it firsthand, it gets them, more motivated to start looking into this kind of career.
It's a special behind-the-scenes look at the healthcare industry that left an indelible impression on the 4 finalists and their parents.
These are the young minds of America, the next doctors, the next scientists. They're the ones that hold the future in their hands. And it's our jobs as parents and teachers and administrators to make sure that they find their way as best as they can.
If the name suggestions by the 4 finalists of STHS McAllen's Name the Robot contest are any indication, the future certainly looks bright for the healthcare industry in the Rio Grande Valley and beyond.